I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to lengthen the sleeves of my Quilted Chore Coat pattern. I have it cut out for the largest size. I'm going to be making the small, so that's this solid blue line right here. Now I want to add 1.5 inches of length to my sleeve. So I'm going to measure 1.5 inches along at the current edge of the sleeve, and I'm just going to mark right here 1.5 inches now. I'm going to turn my sleeve. I'm going to take my ruler again, and in order to maintain the current angle of the sleeve, I'm just going to follow this line all the way down. Turn to this side, follow this line all the way down. This is going to be the dimension for my new sleeve length. Now you might wonder, for this pattern, will this affect the way that the cuff will attach? So for the small, the original distance was about 17 inches, just over 17 inches. And now it is 17.25. If I want to be precise, I can add 1/8 of an inch to the edge. To be precise, I can add 1/8 of an inch to each edge of my cuff sections so that it will line up perfectly with the width of my new sleeve. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments if that helps or if you have any questions.